Hi friends, now we're going to talk about how we can use the substring operation. Whenever I think of substring operation, it's always sometimes we have to get, because lots of times the date field that we get is in 8 character, and then we need to you know put a dot or a slash to make it more beautiful and pretty. So you use the substring function for those, but you can use it now for a bunch of other stuff. So this is the piece of code that we are going to use. Okay, and here is, you can see, this is the piece of code that is being used. Let me see. I think I made this thing a little smaller. Let me see options. The icons are fine. Okay, so let me see. Probably if I do control and I drag it up, it doesn't go. Okay, oops, I think it does. Okay, so here you can see this is the piece of code that is there. So I'll put a breakpoint here. Okay, and here you can see, first thing we are going to do is we are going to check the substring, and which will probably give cd the answer. Let's debug and we'll find it. Oops, that's the problem. Whenever I'm just clicking it becomes smaller. Okay, so let me execute. Let's get into this, and I put substring and I execute. It stopped in the previous breakpoint. Now it stopped here, and now we will just see. So I'll just hit. So the first one, oops, see, I think there's a problem with my keyboard, but that's fine. So we can see, I'll click on the result. The first one, if you see, gives me cd. The second one, which is very interesting, is substring from. So that means it will give me c d e f g h. Okay, so here now it's c d e f g h. The next one is, oops, will give me after, which will give me EFGH. If you notice, this is the place where the it's getting executed. So I'm doing F5 here, EFGH. Then support, this one will probably give me AB. That's right, and this one will give me ABCD. Oops. Let me see. I went a little far. Yes, that one was giving ABCD. So in this way, it's very useful, this substring before after too, because in that way you can find things. Okay, and you can match it up and find some stuffs that you can do. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a nice day. And if you like it, please subscribe to this channel, because there is videos coming every day and very essential. Thank you, and have a good day.